could buy new clothes. They went shopping separately for the first time. Stacy and her mother went on Saturday. "What about this pink sweater?" Stacy's mother asked. "No, I've already got a pink sweater. Plus, pink is Penny's favorite color. She'll probably wear that," Stacy said. "Have you seen this blouse with flowers on it yet?" her mother asked. "No flowers," Stacy cried. "Can I get this blue sweater?" "Of course, dear," her mother replied. Stacy took an armful of clothes to the dressing room and tried them on. Hours later, Stacy settled on 2 pairs of jeans, a red dress, a blue sweater, and 3 blouses. She liked her new clothes, but she was a little sad Penny wasn't there. On Sunday, Penny and her mother went shopping. Penny's mother held up a yellow blouse. "Stacy likes yellow. I bet that's what she'll wear," Penny said. "What about this flowered shirt?" Penny's mother asked. Penny cringed. "Oh, Mom, that's the worst." She picked out a skirt and some blouses to try on. Penny asked the clerk, "Excuse me, do you have this sweater in pink?" "No, we have just sold out." "But we have it in blue," the clerk said. Penny gathered all her other items, a black dress, 3 pairs of jeans, a blue sweater, and a blouse. Her new clothes were nice, but shopping without Stacy wasn't as much fun. That night, Stacy and Penny talked on the phone. "Have you already decided what you're wearing?" Penny asked. "Yeah, I just picked out the best outfit. It looks good," Stacy said. "Mine too," Penny replied. "I just hope Bobby Lewis doesn't tease us." The next day, Penny arrived at school wearing a blue sweater and a new pair of jeans. She walked into school and heard someone yell, "Oh no!" Penny turned around. There was Stacy, wearing a blue sweater and a crisp new pair of jeans. For a moment, they looked at each other nervously. Then Stacy giggled. "Nice sweater," she said. Penny smiled. "No, yours is much better." They walked into school just like they always did, dressed the same. And when Bobby Lewis said, "Hey, those sweaters are worse than your polka dot blouses," they just rolled their eyes and laughed.
Stacy and her mother, she's Stacy, and her mother went on Saturday of the shop. Yes, on shop or shopping. "What about this pink sweater?" This pink sweater. Stacy's mother asked. She asked to Stacy. "No, I had already got a pink sweater." Yes? Plus, pink is Penny's favorite color. Stacy said no. Penny is the favorite color of Penny is pink. "She will probably wear that," Stacy said. No. This is the color of Penny, and probably she wear that. She said that she seen the blouse with flower, and the mother asked, "Flowers, no." "Can I get this blue sweater?" She decided for this blue sweater. "Of course, dear," the mother replied. The mother said, "Yes, of course." Dear, Stacy took an armful of clothes to the dressing room and tried them on. Hours later, Stacy stepped two pairs of jeans, red dresses, blue sweater, and 3 blouses. She liked her new clothes. Continue. But she's sad. Ella está triste porque Penny no está ahí. And Penny, on Sunday, with her mother, went to shopping. The mother helped with yellow blouse. Stacy liked yellow. And she said no, because she will wear yellow, okay? What about the flowers? And the mother asked. And Penny, no, Mom, that's worse. Okay, say no. And she decided no. And she asked, excuse me, do you have this sweater in pink? This sweater, but in pink color? Entonces le responden, no, we have just sold out. And that night, Spencer and Penny talk on the phone. With the phone. Look at the phone. Have you already decided what you're wearing? And she asked. ¿Ok? Se preguntan si ya decidieron qué van a utilizar. It look good, Stacy said. Mine too, Penny replied. I just hope Buddy Lewis doesn't tease us. Esperan que el niño no las moleste. The next day, Penny arrived at the school wearing a blue sweater and new pairs of jeans. New sweater. And she walked into the school and heard something yell. Oh no! And loud. Penny turned around. Se voltea. There was Stacy, wearing the blue sweater, yes, and the crisp new pair of jeans, the same jeans and the same sweater. At the first and nervous, but for only one moment, but she said, oh, your sweater is nice. And Penny smiled. No, yours is much better. No, tu suerte está muy linda. No, el tuyo está bonito, está mejor. And the boy said, oh, the same dress, the same. Empieza a molestarlas de nuevo. Y les dice that the sweater are the worst. Esto que están peor que la blusa que ellas tenían antes. The dot blouses. And they look and laugh and finish.